Alright, so let's jump into it for this week, for today. Today is December 17th, 2022. It looks like we're about to wrap up on the year of 2022. And in my opinion, this year went by a bit too quickly. It seemed like it was just the other month when January or March was around. Now it's already December. So time is going by. Anyway, today we're going to be looking at Tesla and we're going to be looking at the Forex pair Euro US dollar. However, we're only going to be looking at the last trade for the week, which would have been placed around 2 o'clock p.m. and held on to until market close over here about 5 o'clock. So let's go into Euro USD first. So let's say you got into a put over here, or you sold one contract. This would have been about $300 just from this movement, just from here to over here. If you had entered into it over here, it would probably been about 500, 450, but you have to take into consideration how the market fluctuates and how it goes up and down. So it hit a few, it went up over here, here, and that could have been a good exit point, or it could have been a warning sign that the market is going to turn around. Nobody really closes out at the perfect moment at all times. A lot of people close out early, but what matters is if you're making a profit or not, and with time and with experience you'll learn when to close out and when and how to feel comfortable in those trades. Take for example, if I got into a sell over here and I saw the market going up and I would have exited here, I wouldn't have made as much as if I held on to it and got out over here, or just held on to it until the entire day, because it hits our level over here multiple times. As we can see, if I draw a trend line right here, it hits this line 3 times, multiple times actually. If I draw another one, it breaks. It broke. Hold on. Let's see. If I just do that, if I just do this, as we can see, it breaks our line over here. Actually, a second. There we go. It breaks our line over here. This could be a good sign that it's going to be a heavy sell, but as we see, it turns back around. As of the moment, if it was like this, we would have no idea where to tell the market was going, so could possibly have to use other indicators, could have to use good judgment, or just stay in the trade, trust the indicator, trust the process, and wait until the trade is over. And then that's when you can get into a new one. As we can see over here from our previous data, if we hold on to trades, we can definitely make some, and if we hold on to it until the actual trend changes, we could be losing out on a lot of profits. So I would recommend putting in possibly another moving average, looking at looking at the MACD, looking at something else for confirmation, looking at support, resistance levels, trend lines. Then you can move from there. We explain all of this. This sounds complicated, but it's not really that complicated. All it takes is patience and experience and practice. So as we can see, the market hits our level over here and goes back down. This move over here would have been about $300. So enough of the Forex chart. Let's hop into options and let's look at Tesla. As we can see, Tesla dropped from about $160 to about $150, which is a huge drop, a $10 drop. Now that might not seem like a lot if you have one share, but if you're trading options, it's a different story. So let's start off by shorting the market. Goes up, made a quick profit, re-entering into a short and just holding on to that for the rest of the day. You're holding on to it until about 12 o'clock. Would have been great. This is a very easy day to trade. And as we can see over here, Tesla is just going all the way down. It's dropping. It dropped quickly in the morning, continues to drop, and then it goes on to hit support and resistance levels after about 12 o'clock. After, let's say, around 12 o'clock, it just bounces up and down, goes in through a period of somewhat consolidation, just up and down until the end of the day. So if you had entered into this trade around if you had entered into a put anywhere from market open to about 10 o'clock, you would have done pretty well for the day. So that's Tesla. Now that's it for the day. In our next coming videos, I'm going to be speaking about a few other things. I'm not going to speak about technical analysis as much. We are going to go into live trading. I am doing that some days, but I think I might change it up a little bit. I'm still on the fence. Let me know. Send me an email if you'd like to see anything. As of right now, I'm not going to put too much free content online. We're going to save a lot of the good content for the paying members. But as I said, this is Tesla. This is your USD, December 17th, 2022. And that's it. So if you have any questions, head over to awakeglobalcapital.com and we can speak about this more in detail.